guys, today we're going to be making a very easy recipe. We're going to be making chocolate coconut macaroons. This easy and healthy chocolate coconut macaroon recipe only uses 4 basic ingredients. The basic ingredients are granulated sweetener or sugar, egg whites, coconut flakes, and chocolate chips. Not to confuse, there's the French macaron, or if I'm not sure whether I'm pronouncing that correctly. My husband says it's Macron, like the current French president. Just let me know in the comment section below what you think. How do you pronounce it? Anyway, we're making macaron. I've tried to make this recipe healthy by using a sugar-free sweetener, but feel free to use regular sugar or sweetener if you prefer. I also have 2 ingredients, but these are totally optional. I'm going to be using 1 vanilla pod. You can use vanilla essence if you prefer, sorry. And I'm also using 2 tablespoons of orange juice. And this is what makes the macaroons moist on the inside, and it also gives them a nice flavor. Without much further ado, let's make some chocolate coconut macaroons. We're only going to be using the egg whites for this recipe. Don't throw away these egg yolks. You can use them for other recipes such as your omelets in the morning, soups. The list is endless. Just in case you're wondering, macaroons, which is what we're going to be making today, are made from using coconut flakes and sweetener and eggs. Macarons, on the other hand, are French meringue-based cookies made by whisking together egg whites, sugar, and almond flour. These are normally joined together by a buttercream filling. Macarons are normally more difficult to make. They take longer, more time consuming, which also means that they're costly. To the beaten egg whites, we're going to add some vanilla, and then I'm carefully going to fold in the coconut flakes. Next, I'm lining a baking tray with parchment paper. You can use an ice cream scoop or 2 spoons like this. So, I have a little tip. You can give the macaroons a nice shape by dipping your hands in a glass of water, like that, and then just forming them. That way they get a nice shape. They've got a nice color, and we're just going to dip them in chocolate.